Never get too attached to anyone unless they also feel the same for you, because one-sided expectations can mentally destroy you. Any friendship that was born in the period between 18 and 24 years of age is more likely to be robust and long-lasting. A person who feels appreciated will always do more than is expected. A survey found that forcing yourself not to talk to somebody because they don't deserve you is the hardest thing ever. Distance doesn't necessarily ruin a relationship. You don't have to see someone every day to be in love. Psychology says that if the word ego comes in any relationship, then that relationship cannot last for long. Psychology says that the person who is deceiving you will never want you to become a successful person. Psychologist says that no person is ever wrong. Sometimes the situation is different, and sometimes the thinking is different. Psychology says that if a girl kisses you on your forehead, then she is very polite and shy. A study found that the colder the room you sleep in, the more likely you are to have nightmares. Psychology says that our nose can remember and recognize 50,000 types of smells. Psychologists say that if a person sleeps a lot, it means that either he is very sad or he is feeling lonely. Psychology says that if a person laughs a lot even at small things, then he is feeling lonely from inside. Psychology says that if you tell your goal to others, then your chances of being successful decrease because you lose your motivation. Psychology says that keeping ourselves busy with work makes us happy because when we are busy our mind stops us from thinking about the negative things in our life. When a person speaks with full confidence and truthfulness, then that person looks more attractive. Psychology says that women whose husbands talk sexy are very romantic.